So hi people and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm working on my girlfriend's radio on something that I messed up badly. As some of you may remember, I actually rebuilt this transmission last year and it was working awesome, but there's something I forgot to replace after I rebuilt it that could have messed it up badly right now. I still need to assess the damage. The transmission overheated, transmission oil temp light turned on, and it was all because of this. So right now it's off the truck, so it's gonna spin with the fan, but the fan clutch went bad on this one. It happened during a trip. Of course, the transmission overheated. Engine overheated slightly, but the transmission is what suffered the most. I dropped the oil last night. Thankfully, it was not black. It was just a little bit brown, because, well, like I said, it overheated. But I'm happy to use synthetic on it. If it was regular ATF, I'm sure it would have just boiled and messed the transmission up. I'm still not 100% sure the transmission is like completely fine. It was shifting fine after it got hot, so hopefully fresh fluid would just be more than enough for it. But if you're rebuilding or replacing your transmission, just replace the fan clutch. It's a cheap part. Could save you big headaches, probably spending thousands of dollars again on rebuilding the transmission. I ordered two because now we have a two-wheel drive radio in the house. That one over there. So that one's getting a new fan clutch just for safety. But yeah, don't be like me. I always try to learn from my mistakes. If I'm ever rebuilding or replacing another transmission, I'm definitely replacing this thing. If you got an electric fan, make sure the electric fan is in good working order, that your thermal switch is in good working order. If you don't know when they were last replaced, I would definitely replace them. Again, it's cheap insurance, versus getting another transmission just because of this. So always, thanks for watching. I really hope you learn a little bit from my mistakes and don't mess up like I did.